Hello, my lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. Today, from our book Purvi of grade 6, we are doing Unit 5, which is Culture and Tradition. We'll be doing the chapter The Kites. Now, before we start with the chapter, we need to understand different things about kites, or also let's answer few questions to get to know the kites better before we actually start reading it. Let us do these activities before we read. Answer the following questions and share them with your teachers and your classmates. Let's see the questions. Have you ever flown a kite or seen someone fly a kite? Where and when? See, I just cannot agree to it that you've never seen a kite or you never tried to flow one, right? I'm sure you all have flown the kites or you must have seen the kites in the sky. Okay, I am sure you must have heard about this festival called Makar Sankranti. Like, I am crazy about it. I'm sure you all are. So beautiful kites, colorful, long tails, short, long, tall, small, big. We see a lot of kites in the sky, and it's so beautiful and so colorful when we see that in the sky, right? So, yes, now this is my answer, right? You can write your own answer. It's totally up to you. You have your own opinion, you have your own experiences. You can write your own. Let's see. Yes, I have flown a kite. I flew it during the Makar Sankranti. As I told you, Makar Sankranti is a festival wherein people fly kites in the sky. Okay. Festival on the terrace of my house in January. So Makar Sankranti comes on 14th January when the weather was perfect for kite flying. So when you go and when you fly kites in the sky, it's beautiful and amazing breeze and the sun is shining very calm and nice and it feels lovely to be on the terrace, and you fly kites, you be with your friends, you do competitions and it's amazing. Okay, next one. Describe the kite's color, shape, design of the tail or any other detail. So you need to explain a little bit about kite. Okay, like kites are something like this if you remember. If I am not wrong, Hannah, something like this. Then you got beautiful tails. Okay, you have a thread attached to it and then we fly. I mean, I am in love with flying kites. The kite I flew was colorful with red, yellow, and blue. It had a diamond shape. Now, this is the diamond shape we call. Okay? And the tail was made of long, colorful papers. Okay? Strips that flutter in the wind. So, when you fly, the tail flutters. Okay. What did you think when you saw the kite up in the sky? Now, when you saw the kite in the sky, what do you think? I think when I saw the kite in the sky, I felt happy and free. The kites in the sky are flying like birds. It's all free. It's lovely. Watching it soar high. Soar matlab beta, soar means ऊंची उड़ान भरना. Soar higher and higher made me feel joyful and connected to a beautiful tradition. Now, when you enjoy Makar Sankranti and when you fly kites, it's not just that you're flying kite, but your mother keeps on preparing nice food for you. So it's not just kite flying, but it makes you very close to the tradition, like eating tilka laddu. So it is basically a very nice tradition that you enjoy on 14th January while you fly the kite in the sky. So it's very nice feeling. And when you see the kite flying in the sky like a bird, it gives you that joy of freedom, right? Okay. Search the internet for videos on kite festivals. If you'll write kite festival on the internet, you'll find a lot of videos of it. Okay? People are doing competitions. They are flying kite in the sky. They are flying like really long kites one after the other, which is really hard to do. I don't know how do they do it. And they do all the competitions while in the field. So you'll find a lot of videos on the internet. You can find those videos. Share the things that you saw and what the people were doing. So when you find the video, whichever video you like the most, you write about that video, that what did you see in that video, what people were doing, what all competitions happened, who conducted it, and so on. Okay? Moving on. People flew colorful kites in the sky and they competed to cut each other's kite. It looked fun and exciting. Any video that you watch, what you'll see is people are doing competitions. They are trying to cut each other's kite. It is all competitive and it's fun. It's not a very bad competition. It's a very healthy and fun competitions. So people actually enjoy doing it. Okay. Would you like to participate in these kinds of festivals? Why? Now, if you get a chance to participate in any of the kite festival, will you participate? Yes, I would love to join and participate in it because it looks so much fun and I can enjoy with my friends and family. I definitely am going to take participation in that kite festival. It's not because I don't care whether I win or I lose, but I'm going to have a lot of blasting fun with my friends and family, which is actually the greatest thing when you take part in any of the competition, that you are the part of the competition and you enjoy it with your family and friends or your competitors, right? Okay, moving on. What kind of kite would you like to fly? See, my kind of person will try to take a very small kite because it's easy to fly it. You can ride whatever kite you prefer to fly. It can be colorful, it has a long tail, it has a lot of kites attached to it. So you can choose whichever kite you want to fly. I would like to fly a bright, colorful kite with a long tail because it's look pretty in the sky. So I'm going to choose a kite which is bright, colorful, has a long tail because when it'll go in the sky and because of the wind, when the tail will flutter, I would love to see that. Okay, so here we are done with some pre-questions. I'm going to continue with this chapter in the next video. Till then, bye.